Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to automate Instagram stories. So first things first, you can do it inside the Instagram application. So I strongly suggest to go and then type Meta Business Suite and then create an account here. So you must have your Facebook connected to your Instagram. This is what it looks like. So in the Meta Suite on the left side, you should see this planner. Basically, inside this planner or this planner can help you upload and schedule your stories here on your Instagram. And it's up to you if you want to share this also to your Facebook or to your Instagram or just Facebook only. So basically, what you're going to do here is you have to upload the short or the story that you want to add to your Instagram. Basically, you can here select and then create a story, upload your media. Here you can add text, stickers, links if eligible. You will see that, and CTA. As you can see, this is what it looks like. And then you can now go to schedule once you have preview everything. Here on the schedule, you can just basically schedule your posts maybe after a week or after a few days. And also, apart from that, like I mentioned earlier, you can share this to your Facebook if you want or not. So, this is what it looks like. Now, here in your Meta Business Suite, you can publish automatically or you can schedule, you can pick the date and time. Method 2, you can automate stories with Buffer, but you have this paid plus free trial. Also, for the visual planner, you can use that one later. So basically, you can schedule the story like what I mentioned earlier under the business suite. Best practices for automating Instagram stories: keep stories short, aim for 3 to 5 slides for higher retention, use templates, create a theme using Canva to save time, mix value plus engagement, post when your audience is active, and plan a week in advance. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.